Pera, umbhalo njengahambi la. Abhale njengahambi nje. Hayi, ngifunde hayi half and half.
Yeah, simple. It's my life, bro. Mmele la kwile crime.
Hayibo.
Ngimele bajimbozi.
Fethu.
And ngimele aba-outside ngimncanywe no. Akekho umuntu ongalimele. Ngimele no.
How does a taxi driver build a 300 million rand empire, then become the target of police and hitmen? Joe Ferrari Sibanyoni started as a taxi.
All right.
Taxi driver in 1985 before building a fleet of nearly 400 taxis. His empire. Empire expanded into mining, property, logistics, and luxury cars worth millions of rand. But investigators now link him to alleged extortion networks, cartel connections, and leaked police information. In 2022, gunmen allegedly followed him to a luxury golf estate and opened fire in a failed assassination attempt. Then in 2026, police raided his home and arrested him on extortion and money laundering charges. Now South Africa is asking one question. Was this a business empire or something much darker?
Uthi ngigqoke fake, ungangidabukeli mina ngidabukela wena ugqoke original ulalaphi? Ulala ku-carrier bag yasesitolo. Yabo umzimba womuntu ogqoke fake uphumula embedeni oright kanjani? Othi kushayisa itho encane lalela. Yabo? Ngifuna nje ukukukhombisa.
And secondly, my degree speaks volume. I graduated from the University of Massachusetts in America. It is during this time of the night when we were still students in that university, when we used to share some views and debates. Boldly so, I will stand up and say, due to the conjugation of superiority, which each and every job can evaluate, has the lapse of chronometer, symbolically indicating the twinning tilt of anti-content. My name is President Jangsha. It's just to evacuate this arena, leaving you with these few words. See me when I see you. If you don't, we shall see one another in the near future, and then we shall smile because this was welcome. Our Almighty God, Aju.
Konke ngifuna ukukhombisa yona. Sengiqalile ngiyakushayisa itho. Angikho egalari ngisendlini. Yabo? Ngifuna ukunderstand. Ngifuna nje konke ngifuna ukuthi uyi-understand. Angikho egalari mngani wami. Uyabona
From UCS. How you feel? How you feel? No, I'm feel like yeah. Let's say Shumai.
Yeah. Do you believe that the state has no case here against you?
No case angeli. Mina ngithi okwamanje ngizoshumayela njengoba kuneyimoto ejele court. Kuba nje izwi lakaNkulunkulu. Isikhathi sokuthi manje ngishumayele ejele.
Are you innocent? Are you innocent?
Mina nginceke kaNkulunkulu.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you, sir. Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
SF91! SF91! What the heck? Look at that thing! SF91! This thing! SF91!
ngihamba ngirelaxile. Iperfume yendlu le. Yabo? Akuyona i-alarm nyoni. I-alu le. Yabo? Ivazi i-alu iyabiza. Uyigcina kwida queen mawukuthi una IDS. Yabo noma ungene kwi-Google ucheck khona. Lalela. Akuthela namanje ngisakuthela ukuthi wena ukushutha kakhulu kwi-couch ugcina mawusesipotini lapha uthenga iJenis ngo-1,800 2:06 usalele mntanami. Vuka uphithize sigebengu, vuka uphithize, vuka uphithize. Ungazi ukuthi wenzani kodwa vuka uphithize. Lalela, ungaphithizi ngokuthi ubheka abaye emsebenzini, ubheka abadangi, ubheka abanjani. Khohlwa abanye abantu. Ilwa impi yakho mntanami. Ilwa impi yakho. Kuvuke thina abantu abanembhede ushapu sandlula. Asandi. Asincinzwa ibhungulu. Usaphonde nescape. Vuka mfethu ube neqhinga lokuthi uzophuma kanjani kuleso scape. You understand? Sengivukile nami. Njoba ubamba nje. Sekuseni ngazi ukuthi kade ngavuka. Ngiyaklina ebusuku ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi isikhathi anginaso emini. Wena usane isikhathi sokuhlala. Asikho isikhathi mntanami. Siyavuka sisho izindlu zethu sihambe siyophanda. Vuka mntanami kuzohlangana. Kale kwenkinga.
Ferrari Sibanyoni will make his first appearance in the Kwaggafontein Magistrates Court today. He and 2 others were nabbed on extortion-related charges. The trio allegedly demanded money from a businessman over an extended period of time. One suspect remains at large. The controversial taxi boss is well known in Mpumalanga, owning a fleet of taxis. He also has diversified business interests into mining, construction, and IT. But he's also been linked to alleged underworld figures, the likes of Vusimuzi Ket Matlala.
The fourth suspect handed him over this morning. He was cooperating with the police. He has never been at large. We have been cooperating. He was not aware that the police are looking for him up until we inquire from the prosecution and the police. Immediately, he consulted with us yesterday, and he's in. He handed himself over. He has been processed. He's appearing this morning, and we are ready to proceed with the bail application. Remember, the matter is postponed for purposes of bail application this morning. So we are ready. We'll be proceeding with bail application.
Tell us what charges he's facing.
The same charges as it is alleged that there's extortion and money laundering.
Can you confirm whether or not your client is...
See the first suspect in court.
And just...
Look at that. Check out the boys. MP40i. What a convoy. What a convoy. What a convoy. Jeez, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
2:06
Spectacular.
Salele mntanami. Vuka uphithize sigebengu, vuka uphithize, vuka uphithize. Ungazi ukuthi wenzani kodwa vuka uphithize. Lalela, ungaphithizi ngokuthi ubheka abaye emsebenzini, ubheka abadangi, ubheka abanjani. Khohlwa abanye abantu. Ilwa impi yakho mntanami. Ilwa impi yakho. Kuvuke thina abantu abanembhede ushapu sandlula. Asandi. Asincinzwa ibhungulu. Usaphonde nescape. Vuka mfethu ube neqhinga lokuthi uzophuma kanjani kuleso scape. You understand? Sengivukile nami. Njoba ubamba nje. Sekuseni ngazi ukuthi kade ngavuka. Ngiyaklina ebusuku ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi isikhathi anginaso emini. Wena usane isikhathi sokuhlala. Asikho isikhathi mntanami. Siyavuka sisho izindlu zethu sihambe siyophanda. Vuka mntanami kuzohlangana. Kale kwenkinga.
Lalela. Sesiphunga wenze njalo. Sifanele aqabule iperfume yangempela. Mawuswenka. Shaya iperfume yangempela, not less than 3,000 iperfume omele ushaye mawumfana. Unganuki into ethi.
It shows that God is alive, God is the King, God is the Almighty. So all I'm saying to you, just believe in God, all will happen. Never believe in anything else in life. Our life has been written on the histories of everything, but God overrules everything. So as the president of all the motherfuckers in the world, all I'm trying to say, take my word, God is great. I took it upon myself.
Hayibo.
Ngimele bajimbozi.
Fethu.
And ngimele ama-outside ngincanywa no. Akekho umuntu ngimele no. Ngimele la kwile.
Mawukuthi uthi ngigqoka ifake ungangidabukeli mina ngidabukela wena ugqoka original ulalaphi? Ulala kwi-carrier bag yasesitolo. Lawo umzimba womuntu ogqoka ifake uphumula embhedeni oright kanjani? Othi kushayisa itho encane lalela. Yabo?
The actual. Let's hear it. Hear it. Rev it.
Ngifuna nje ukukukhombisa. Konke ngifuna ukukhombisa yona. Sengiqalile ngiyakushayisa itho. Angikho egalari ngisendlini. Yabo? Ngifuna ukunderstand.
Sounds good.
I hate the SF90's like license plate on the front. That's why I don't buy hybrid.
Ngifuna nje konke ngifuna ukuthi uyi-understand. Angikho egalari mngani wami. Uyabona into engiyiphefumulayo uma ngirelaxile.
Mark ngishisela mithi nhla ebo. Underfloor. Whose car is this that's under?
How does a taxi driver build a 300 million rand empire, then become the target of police and hitmen? Joe Ferrari Sibagnoni started as a taxi driver in 1985 before building a fleet of nearly 400 taxis. His empire expanded into
Yeah. Phela umbhalo into engahambi la. Abhalo into engahambi nje. Hayi ngifuna hayi half and half.
Yeah, simple. It's my life, bro.